Okay, so this guy, Pushy Pixels, in this video, Breakfast with Unity stencil shaders is what I looked for a good hour or so, not too much time, last night, maybe a little over that, trying to figure out how to make parts of an object invisible, parts of a mesh invisible. So it's a very specific kind, being able to mask it out with an object, doing like a layer mask, similar to like how you would do in 2D software like Photoshop or in Animate and stuff like that, except in 3 dimensions. So I finally figured it out, or not I figured it out, I finally learned it from this guy, Pushy Pixels. So he's kind enough to put the GitHub down here, and so I downloaded that, and and it's pretty straightforward. This is exactly how I imagined it to be, and that's how that shit works. You literally just have a cube with the thing on it and with the material on it. It's like a shader that says that when it interacts with some specific other type of shader, that it'll make that other one invisible. So this is the mask, and then this pole underneath is the turret pole that has a part of it that says to hide it if it's being occluded by that cube. So this one is custom stencil diffuse not equal 1, and that's in his pack of stencils. And I downloaded it, but I only threw in really the one folder, folder 54 stencil buffer shader. So what I haven't done just yet is figured out what the deal with these you could still see shadows. You know, you can kind of see this ambient occlusion kind of thing happening there. So have to figure that out. But it's more or less kind of made it invisible, which I'm happy with. And it's just because, you know, you want, where is it, 3D mask, you want all of that shit to be invisible when it pops out. So I'm going to make this bigger, and I'm going to make sure that the mask fits around everything else as well. How's this? A lot of this shit's going to be clipping into the ground, but like I may as well go all the way down, you know? You just never know. Okay, there we go. Can honestly do it look a little smaller now. All right. And so we'll get this rifle base. So turret rifle. I want to put the same thing for all of these, because we changed this turret pole to custom stencil diffuse not equal 1. So we'll change this one as well. Custom stencil diffuse not equal 1. Okay. That's that one. And what is left? Turret camera, here we go. Custom stencil diffuse not equal 1. Brilliant. Still cast shadows. It's also a little problematic. Looking very predator-ish at the moment. But like I said, better than nothing for now. I will see, though, if I can go into material, 3D masking, mask, object. I don't really know. I guess I should just click on each of these, right? Let's do this one. Could make it so it doesn't receive shadows. Doesn't really make much of a difference, right? Cast shadows off. Well, this is pretty good right now. I'll probably come back to that video later and make sure that I'm understanding everything right and able to kind of get rid of these shadows. Okay. So I think at this point, if I got rid of the turret and then brought it back in. Yeah. Okay. So the materials still function with there. Great. But what I want to do is get this 3D mask and make sure. Might have to instantiate this prefab. Is that the right word? Right, because by default it doesn't come with it. I'm just trying to figure out. Okay, let's zero this out. 0, 0. Okay. And oh shit, is that my 0 point on this thing? I thought yeah, look at it. It's like, that's the 0 point, isn't it? Did I spawn a cube? Yeah. Is it because... Oh, yeah. No, I did do it right. Great. Yeah, the grid's right here. Okay. So if I want this to come with it, what I'm trying to think of is like... I might actually need to put all the animations in one thing. So if we go to animate, and then we scooch all these ahead to maybe like, let's just do frame 20 to be safe. And then right here, we'll go to like frame 10, pick the laptop, these two things, add a keyframe, and then over here, let's 90 degrees. It wasn't perfect before, so. And keyframe. Right, so that's when you open it, and that's when it morphs. Okay. Okay. We at least need to have it do that, right? Just don't know how far I'm really gonna take this. Do we even need the laptop animation? Maybe we don't. Maybe we don't need that right now. Let's make this work. Okay. So I want you to come with it. Right. Wonder what mask to self illum diffuse not equal 1. Diffuse not equal 1. Okay. I think this will work. So what I'll do is I'll drag it back in. A new original prefab. And this one, I'm going to call it turret with mask. And does it come out right? Yeah, okay, it's still there. Okay. So what do we want? What do we want? What do we want? We want to be able to place this down on tables. Well, you go to a table and you place it down. I have a feeling that what I actually want... No, because the laptop gets an animation too. Shit. Kind of wondering if I should make this separate from like a laptop that just kind of comes by itself. All right, so what do we want? You can come in, you're carrying your laptop, and then you should be able to put it down. Let's make sure all this works then. So laptop screen render me. Cube. Laptop screen test feed. Nowhere I could drag this. What is the... What does this one look like? Okay, it's items, laptop materials. And it's, oh, we put it in the albedo. Okay, so this should be able to go right there. Can I just, there we go. Oh, that's funny, it like tints it. Oh, nice. That's fucking cool. So now I guess I should be able to, main camera. Oh, it's so cool. Wait, is this, oh, it's sideways. That's funny. Okay. How do I rectify that? Offset. I might just have to put a little cube in there. Interesting. So I guess that's worth remembering in the future, that I have to kind of make sure that my normal maps, I mean my UV mapping is, that this would be upright. Okay. I would like to have it baked in like this. Let's just go over there to make that clean, yeah? Start up. Laptop. And then I have the animation now too, so even better. Laptop base. Right. So what I want to do is... just that, yep. And then, so this is probably going to be sideways. So we want to rotate it clockwise. Okay. Save. Is there anything we want to do over here? We got that. We got that. And then it also does that. Okay. And saving file, export, FBX. And let's rename this really quick. Turret 1. And this one I'll just call it turret. Okie dokie. Back in here. I should honestly make a folder for this now, right? Turret. We'll call this turret 2. Then this one will be turret. Now, if I'm right, all I have to do is change those pull things to stencil diffuse not equal 1. Turn that off. Put it in here. Okay. And we want uh-oh. No, thank you. Where is my super suit? Oh man, I'm just the fucking funniest guy. Is it in here? No, I just checked in there, right? Just textures. What the fuck, my man? Where is this animation? Am I not exporting the animation in this FBX? Oh, I'm not exporting animation. Duh. Abadur. Turret. Yes, I would love to overwrite it. And then animation tracks. Okay. Oops. And we're gonna get this and this and totally fucking delete it forever. And then we'll actually, let's get this, put that in there. And then turret FBX. Now this guy. Yep, there it is. Nice. Apply. Okay, so here is our, we're gonna call this laptop and turret animation. Gonna apply that. And then I can, oh, that's cool. You could put events in here too. Mask. I think there's a way where I can take this, let's go out and then deck, right? And then I'll duplicate it. And open, yeah, okay. And then I'm gonna want to put it on that, so I'll put this out here for a second. Right, now should I be able to, yep, scrub through it. Oh, now it's upside down. Fuck. I was so close. I suppose I can always turn the camera upside down, but then that's just, I mean, is that a terrible workaround? Is that like the laziest workaround? I think I just need to. Also, what's with this keyboard? I thought I unpacked all that shit. Oh, did I delete the, right. Well. I think because that's the animation controller. So let's delete this again. Yes. Delete this again. Yes. Delete this. Yes. Back to cinema. You know, I could be making absolutely 100% sure by like putting an image that I can reference as like upright or not, but I'm feeling so fucking confident. Oh, not animate, but UV edit. So I'm gonna rotate this. Okay, so that is like that now. Oh. Okay. Export FBX. Turret FBX. Yeah. Yes, sir. And now turret FBX. Hey, now you're an all-star. Materials. Apply. Okay. Can I double click this and preview it? Why you no preview? Okay, they just need to make an animation controller, right? There, it's up right now. And the keyboard's there. Hooray. Cool! Take a sip of my... This is brought to you by Waterloo Sparkling Water. grapefruit, naturally flavored sparkling water, legendary taste, Waterloo. It's BPA free, non-GMO, verified, 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 sodium. There's nothing in this can. There's not even a fucking can. You don't exist. You're not even... What? Ah, God. Okay. So, we can... What do we want to do here? We want to have it so you put this fucking thing down. And when you put it down, it pops open like that. Ooh. I am getting a little sloppy here because I guess I didn't need to do all that. If when you pop it open, it's actually going to have a completely different display. Jeez. This is just too fun to look at. Fuck. I'm also kind of beating around the bush right now because I keep trying to figure out how I could be testing this without having to constantly put on a fucking VR headset. If I could save that for last. Like a playtest by... It is such a different thing because I'm kind of wondering, like, what does... Did I save this already? Sure did. I think it's going to switch accounts when I refresh this. So I'm going to copy, refresh. Cool, now it's in the other account. And I can close all these things now. I'll keep this open. Okay. Is this where I'm streaming from? Yeah. Okay. Close this Hulu. I was watching Lost. Hell yeah. The question is, how do you do... Oh, I just realized, like, can you like... Oh man, I just realized that that's actually kind of... There's something I wanted to do here that seems so simple, and it probably is, but I've never done it, and now it seems complicated, so now I'm trying to think of cheaper, easier ways to do it, which is probably going to in the end end up being more complicated than this way, so maybe I should just learn this way. YouTube. Place an object, Unity, place object anywhere, like raycast. It's gonna have something to do with like vector 3s and shit like that. Selecting objects, touch and shoot, build a turret. That's so funny. Build a turret. Let's see. I have to, I'm just going to put this on the other monitor to be courteous. Or actually, I don't even know if that shit's plugged in right now. No. Okay. All free. Decentralize everything. Okay, we're going to have to... It is. Why no me, no here? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So I just changed the position. So it could be something like um um all right, guys, this is where he starts to learn how to actually try to use prefabs and shit more often. We're gonna do an FSM. I'm gonna edit you. Okay. Window layouts. Okay. Close globals because that gets glitchy sometimes. And it's gonna be like mouse, get mouse down. If it sends, let's see, fin. Okay. There's some schmutz on my screen. So when you click the mouse, it's gonna send a raycast. And it'll be from the camera when we do set that up, and it's gonna get the world position of the ray hit point and store it in a variable, right? It's gonna store it here. And so that's gonna store it. Does that need to be a global? Let's try to do everything without globals. So we're gonna do a new variable, and it's gonna be clicked or raycast hit point, and then we'll do like position, isn't it? So I can call it like world position. Okay, is that like a, yeah, it's a vector 3, right? And so that's where I store it like that. Oh, and I can even do the normal thing that he was doing. That's dope. Get the normal at the hit point and store it in a variable. That's so good. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Right. And then at the end, do a send event. Move to bottom. Fin. And then we'll place the object. So we want to create object, and its position will be that one. So this should be that whenever you click, it'll spawn a thing there. Really have to go pee. Sometimes I forget how I had this mic perfectly set up before. Oh, that's good. Great. Right. So I think for now, I'm just going to have a... Yeah, I'm honestly, I'm just going to do an FPS version until I start getting to all the... Until I get to all the VR stuff. Excuse me. First person all-in-one. Great asset. Import. I do miss the standard controller though. The standard assets from Unity. I hope they, I mean, like, they gotta bring that shit back. That was like, that's like a part of like why they were big, I think. Like, you know, it made things accessible. It kind of like lowered the threshold for a lot of people, and it made them feel like they can at least get going with a few things. Yeah, they got to bring that back, or at least like fix how the package comes in, because it's just like a couple of scripts that need some changing. So you should be able to just go here, first person, and just fucking like that. Okay. And then I guess, you know what? Hang on, guys. What we really need to be doing is finishing this. Right. So I have to go pee. Pee break. Left at 152. We'll be back at 154 just to be safe. Okay. I really gotta get far today. Let's fucking do this. Let's tear it up. Okay. So we have this, right? Go inside. And then, didn't I texture this fucking ceiling? What's going on here? I might have to... What the fuck? It doesn't look like it's... Come on, my guy. My fucking guy. I don't understand. Should just be able to boom. Oh, there we go. I don't know why that wasn't working before. Okay. And then I could just like right. And we'll bring it back down. Does that seem good? Is this ceiling too low? Could I bring it up just a little bit? Okay. Fucking no walls, dog. I am going to hide that for now. Okay, so what we need is... Oh, man. We need elevators, and we'll put them at each of these. Okay, so what we could do first is make the elevator part. Let's get rid of this light. Cube. And just break it up. Break it up, guys. Okay, that. This. Like that. Okay. This. And then copy paste. And it's like that. So there's an elevator doors. We'll put these together. Elevator doors. Okay. Elevator door. Underscore right. And then elevator door underscore left. And then we will, you know, they always have a little bit of that. Just a little bit of that. A little bit more. Okay. So then we will use this to put down and start measuring. I guess I should probably put it over here by these desks, because these desks are good. Yeah, that seems right. Okay. Okay. And we'll put them... Where will they go? They'll all kind of go at these, like, the corners. So that means that this... So we should probably call this office body. Right here, we will get the loop get all loopy doopy. Restrict to selection. And we're gonna go like right here, grab this. Oh no, grab this. Yeah. And then right there. Okay. Let's move these. Right. This probably just gonna have to brute force this one because ain't nobody got time for this. Okay, we'll go like right there. And wait, did I not cut that fucking thing? There we go. Right there. And right there. But first, we're gonna bridge there to there. And oh, we also need to cut it up here. So it needs to line up like right there. And delete that. Okay. And now we can get back to bridging. That. Okay, now we have our elevator entrance. And in fact, we could even get this, and then what is six? Is that? Oh, it's D, isn't it? Fuck. D. There we go. Whoa. Okay, guys. We'll just do this. Close polygon hole. Oh, hey now. You're an all-star, though. Polygon pin. Chapow, kapow, jabouji, gadouji. Lock it in. There's probably so many things wrong with that. Reverse normals. And then D, you gotta remember I can hit that D. Always remember to hit the D. Okay, so there's our little elevator. And that's all we need. Elevator doors. Scooch them over. Whoop. Nope. Now scooch them over. Like that. And then hit a keyframe. Hit a keyframe. And then go ahead, 10 frames. Scooch it over. Keyframe. Scooch it over. Keyframe. Okay, there's our elevator. And I don't know if these are like parented, if I can make this do it anywhere, if it's just relative. Oh, good it is. Okay. So we're gonna have this as elevator doors underscore 1. And then, you know what we'll do? We'll really kind of make this a little easier. We'll do this elevator doors north. We'll do this elevator doors west. That'll be put like right over here. Like that. Okay. And copy, paste. Do elevator doors south. It's like right here. Okay. That. And then elevator doors east. Okay. Oh boy. Is there a way to systematize making this fucking elevator? Oh gosh. Should I just make it 2? Should I just make 2 elevators? Is 4 too crazy? Should I just make it 1 elevator? Let's make it 1 elevator. Yeah, simplifying things. Fucking all this northwest shit. Okay. Defunct. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't know how to spell defunct right. I think it's like D-E-F-U-N-C-T, but we're gonna spell it D''F-U-N-K-T. Defunct. That's like when like a social worker or like you know, like a city worker makes their first like funky, like just a funk album, I guess. Funk EP. Okay. Oh boy, it's working on my type 5, y'all. Got that elevator to work. And that's perfect because it's kind of like you have that thing where you're like, peekaboo. Wait, where's the elevator doors? Okay, good. Yeah. So, we got the ceiling, right? And then I know it's just it's like I might be pushing it with this one, but I really gotta. Because they don't really have any walls, huh? I mean, windows. Fuck it. I don't gotta. I'm done. This is all you need to play the game. Okay. We're gonna do elevator doors. They're gonna be that steely blue. Looks good. Steely turquoise. Steely turquoise and the boys. Oops. Okay. It's not right. Why am I... Okay, fine. Okay, there are your elevator doors. you got the ceiling all fucking figured out. You got it all figured out. Just want I could save myself some time. I could save myself some time by just doing this. Office body. Office elevator. Inside. Inside. Okay, just has that railing, has the buttons. Textures.com. Getting a little nervous, Nancy. Kind of feeling the pressure. Elevator. Just elevator. Wow, I guess. I mean, how about elevator buttons? Tool size, large, usage rights. Scusi. What if any size? This isn't bad, I guess. Bode, he guesses. But maybe just a little bit of this. Yeah. PNG elevator button panel. Okay, let's hide these doors really quick. No more locked doors. And for my convenience, let's put a 16mm on this. You know what? In elevators, there's always like, fuck it. Wait. Office body. And I can click these. And then, actually I can click these and these, bring them closer, then get these and push them back. There we go. That's what an elevator is supposed to look like. And so now on here, get rid of that, even though I know that that's that entire fucking wall. How about just this guy? No, you don't. Oh, I saw you. You kind of wanted it for a second. Maybe you didn't. Polygon pen. A patchouli. What the fuck, man? 11? Okay. And are these good boys? Yes, they are. And then I'm gonna do extrude inner and bring it down. Maybe like that. Then this in here. Elevator button panel. And then hop into our UV boys. That's kind of a weird one, why it doesn't fit. Why you no fit? Oh. Oh, because it's not like stretched to fit, so I always just happen to get lucky with the dimensions. Is that what's going on? Let's see. Is it wider or thinner? Forgot to check. Okay, so it's going to be like that, and then we'll do non-uniform. Oops. Like... Oh, I forgot you're supposed to kind of... Oops. Forgot you kind of have to do like a square. Like, duh, I was just trying to make it 1-to-1. Okay. There. That's good. Mm-hmm. And then this thing. These walls. This body. Oops. Let's get all of this. Even no, actually just this stuff. Okay. These. And then we will elevator metal. And I'm gonna just get a little taste of that. It's kind of weird, but fuck it, you know. And what do office walls look like? They're just white walled, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. We could just leave that for now, I guess. Maybe make it a bit darker, right? I mean lighter. Okay. Office walls. And then we'll do the office floor. Just kind of like probably this weird gray color. Brownish gray. Okay. It's honestly probably better if we stick to this kind of thing. Okay. Okay. Right. Put the elevator doors back. I think that's it. So I think we just want to get our elevator doors and our office body and our cubicles. Copy, new, paste, sure. There's all our shit. Okay. File, export, FBX. Okay. Office. Create folder. Environment. Okay. All right. Looking good. Everything's very foggy though, because I think my world scale is kind of crazy. Project settings. Editor. Preferences. Unity change scale, change world scale. Change project measurement units, or just measurement. If you create a default cube in your scene, it'll be set up as a 1 meter cube. What you are concerned about is making sure that objects that you import are at proper scale. Just set up a scene to your platform, create a 1 meter cube in it, and then make sure that the cube you create from blah, 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 then other things keep in mind. My advice would be to always work in real world units. 1 Unity unit equals 1 meter. Might not matter in some projects, but just good habit. Right. A unit is a unit, so there's nothing else is set. Units are arbitrary. So it might just be like a fog thing for me then, right? I might just have to go over here, rendering, and then just fucking turn off my fog. Okay. So how are we looking with, where's that first person? Okay, so that's how tiny our first person thing is. And is it scalable? Oh, I forgot that that was the only fucking platform I had in there. Okay, I can get the, oops. I can get this is walkable, and all these things are not walkable. Can I just select all the cubicles and say probably have to fucking get every single one of them? Damn. Oh, I guess I can do desk, right? So all of these are navigation static, and they are, you have to, they're not walkable. And then we can get, well, first of all, I really jumped the gun on that one. Let's see. Let's office. I just want to make sure that this is all fine and dandy first. Okay. So we got the desk says not walkable, but now we want all these file cabinets also not walkable. Navigation static, not walkable. And then lastly, we want cubicle wall. As navigation static and not walkable. No, those objects only. Okay. So now I think I can grab this navigation static, call it walkable, and then let's bake this bad boy. Looks great. Great, great, great. Yeah. Looks good. Oh, wait. It's interesting because, well, oh, it's right, because the height, we're going to have to crank this up a little bit. There we go. Okay. Did this get... Can these just move really quick? Why did this generate? Oh, is it the height? Okay, maybe let's try 6. Bake. 5. Bake. 3. Bake. 2. Bake. 1. Bake. Is this not all? What about the agent radius? 5. Bake. No, that's not right. Where does it stop with this? 3, 5. Okay, you can put it at 4. Okay. Are these normals okay? Fuck, that's why. Just select everything to really give it a good look. You already know that one was good. Okay. So just that. Okay. Office FBX. Save. Yes. Let's go back to this. And I need to fix it here too, because I'm going to forget later. Okay. I might be able to cut myself a break here. Let's try baking this again. This still might be a problem, really? What's up with this? What the fuck? Oh, duh. And I'll just do all that other stuff after. Just want to make sure this works. Jesus Christ. Let's go back and save me some fucking work. Jump distance 5. Fucking hell, man. This should be such a simple thing. Why do I always get fucking... Okay, at least all that's working. Honestly, might just have to put a really, really janky solution right here. Where'd this elevator door go? Oh. Put this fucking cube as a little bridge. Wait, which ones am I using? There we go. Okay, that object is walkable. Now bake this shit. Okay, wow, what a janky workaround. Okay. And we'll put these elevator doors back. All right, we're looking okay. We're not looking bad. Close these. Okay. I'm gonna call this my elevator bridge. And does it put a rigid body on this? Guess not. Okay. Now, does our guy stick around? He does. Oh, does not. Oh, it needs a collider on it, right? I can't ever remember if it needs a rigid body and a collider. Actually, no, we want... Let's give it a mesh collider. Thank you. And we're just using this first person thing to do testing stuff, so gonna get rid of camera shake, and we're going to crank the walk speed up to 10. Is that what this is? Can I turn that shit off? Enable camera movement, yeah. What about all that camera shake, enable player movement, head bobbing? There we go, turn that off. Uh-oh, what's happening? Why am I going this way? Uh-oh, what's happening? That was weird. Is this a fucking busted normal too? What's up with this shit? Oh no. Shit, my guy. Oh fuck. This guy should be smaller. Actually, that is about right, right? When you stand up. I don't know what's going on with that shit. It keeps like sucking me through things. It's also like kind of dependent on where I put the camera. What the fuck? This character controller is a little broken. Okay. Maybe I do need to start putting in all this Vive shit, this Steam VR stuff. Let's just go with it. Steam VR, import. I don't remember if this comes with, I don't think it does, but I remember seeing 2 separate folders in my Playmaker Actions. Anyways, just import it. And you know, actually, while I get all that set up, I'm gonna stop the stream for a little bit and kind of do some troubleshooting because I know I'm gonna have to get a refresher. So for now, I say adios.